Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do 10 minutes core with weights. So this workout will be inclusive of 3 circuits, and each circuit will have 5 exercises. And between each exercise, we don't have rest, and rest reset with 10 seconds for complete with the 2 other circuits. If you are comfortable with, you can always start with the body weights instead of the weights. But today I'm going to use a 3 kg and 5 kg. If you're ready, let's get started. So we get started with the Turkish Get-Up. So we're holding a dumbbell. Sit yourself on the mat and the dumbbell on the left hand, and extend your right legs. Get down and bend your right knee and going up. And push yourself up. The eyes never move to the dumbbell, so all the weights in half, and then push yourself up. And the right leg bends and move. Go for that one movement. You're going back to the sit down, the get down position, but eyes always in the dumbbell. Get down, turn, get it down, and knee, get yourself down. Okay, so this, and then we just holding for 1, 2, and moving to the other side. So the right knee bend and extend your left knee. So we're going up, bring yourself up and down. Okay, and switch it up, switch to the other side. Do one more try and bring yourself up. This knee, move, change, going up, down. Bring yourself down, going up, extend. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started for 30 seconds.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement.
Okay, then we move on to the next exercise. Is back crawl with weight, side to side. I'm gonna bring the 5 kg, and the first we start with the back cross position and move your weight side to side. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, if you're ready, we go 30 seconds. Let's get started.
To set me free, you make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes.
Okay, then we move on to the next exercise. Is side with the dumbbell on. So push it, going up, turned, or you just do it like that. Okay, or the other version is bend your knee and up, or simply just do the body weights. Okay, we start 30 seconds.
Unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
Okay, and go with the other side. Same, we're just moving to head. Have your, lift yourself, body weight, or knee down, and down, or with your dumbbell on. So whichever is easier for you. So let's get started.
'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just
Okay,
know.
then we do move on to the hula hug. So bring yourself a dumbbell, or you simply just do hula hug. Okay, they'll do. So we bring yourself a dumbbell. Whew.
You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't
Last
want
one.
to admit it. Whoa.
Okay, then we're going to smudging with the dumbbell. Move the dumbbell up.
You got my heartstrings. I try to find you.
Okay, done. We do 10 seconds reset for heavy water.
Around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do.
To start with the Turkish Get-Up. Bring yourself dumbbell. Inside. The eyes don't move. Don't leave your dumbbell. Get down, turn, down, extend, going back. Switch sides.
We're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit. Whoa, we're perfectly
Now we have 30 seconds back roll with the dumbbell. Okay. Moving side to side.
You got my heartstrings. I won't make it easy for you now.
Okay, now we move to the side plank with the dumbbell up.
Cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby,
Shh. Switch sides.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.
That's one. So we move to the hula hook. Bring yourself.
Keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass.
Okay, then we move on to the pressed to march. Bring your dumbbell up, knee to the chest, march.
If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, now we have 10-second reset.
I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, hold the dumbbell and the leg side. Extend your leg.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this?
Okay, then we move to the back row dumbbells side to side. Okay, back row position.
And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious.
Okay, then have the T up, T plank.
So curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped.
Okay, switch sides. The last set. Up.
I refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious.
Okay, then we have our hula hook.
Love you. I don't know why do I even care. I don't know why do I love you. I don't know why do I even care. I don't know why do I love you. I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I
Last one.
know that it's gonna
Okay, okay. push yourself up and march.
So curious, so curious.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we
Done. Thank you guys. And this one is, you can do it in the morning, quick mornings before you go to work or before you go to bed. It's really, really quickly moving, and you can see it's just really sweaty. So I'll see you next workout. Bye.